During these 2 days, many honorable members have been good enough to express themselves in kind words about several aspects of our policy, especially our foreign policy. Much has been said to which I should like to reply. Much has been said that has rather embarrassed me, especially so when it was meant to be kind, but struck me as being just the opposite of it. I am grateful for the support given to our foreign policy by this House. I am also grateful for what lay behind the kind words that have been said, because words as such do not carry much meaning. My colleagues and I have had to carry a very heavy burden, and even though we may appear light-hearted sometimes, the burden is heavy. We naturally want as much support as possible, not merely kind words and phrases, but intelligent support, understanding support, real support. I have, during the past few days, ventured to go out into the market place and to the fields to see large number of peoples in Delhi and neighborhood. I have tried to tell them about the questions that trouble us and about the great burdens we have to carry. I have asked them for their support. Wherever I have gone, I have found their support. It has heartened me, because they are the people whom we presume to represent, whose ultimate will must count, and whose moral counts more than any resolution. I claim no virtue for myself or for our government or even for our country, and I suspect those who do claim it. It is easy to get into the habit of talking big about ourselves, but we know that the noblest words sometimes gain currency in the mouths of base men and lose their meaning. We talk about patriotism and love of country, and very often so-called patriots indulge in unworthy actions. So it does not matter what fine language I must use or other honorable members might use in this or any other connection. The ultimate test is in action. It is in the fire of experience and trial. We have been through grim test and are the better for it. In spite of our weakness, we had some principles to hold on to, some light to which we were drawn. We went towards it in our weak way and were strengthened thereby. Dear Sirs, in complaints of your letter dated 10th instant, we have great pleasure in informing you that we have sent by road today the steel furniture ordered by you. We trust that you will be very much satisfied with the articles of furniture, and we are sure you will find your customers also will be equally satisfied. These furniture are made of good steel and they are long standing. We have got them in grey and dark green colors, generally liked by people for office or household furniture. We have some latest types of safes also, and anticipating your approval, we have sent one. We are enclosing our bill for the articles sent and request early payment. We would like to take this opportunity of bringing to your kind notice that our bill for the last consignment is still pending and would very much appreciate early settlement of the same, assuring you of our best services. We remain yours faithfully.